souvent sourire, de faire le tri. T'inquiète, t'es pas de bruit. Le but d'une vie c'est de faire de la monnaie. C'est pas ton équipe et ton racolé. Toutes tes copines, ouais, on les connaît. À force de zoner, ouais, on les a rôlées. Je suis abattu, je perds le fil. Et t'as pas un euro, fais pas de deal. Et t'as pas un kilo, fais pas le dealer. Je prends pas ça au sérieux, ouais, ça fait dealer. La gosse dans dîner. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, de faire le tri.
Yeah, we will see how to make Pav Bhaji today. This is a very good evening snack and it becomes so tasty we end up having this as a dinner. Yeah, hi, we are trying to do Pav Bhaji today and these are all the ingredients. I've taken 6 medium-sized aloo, which is peeled, and 4 tomatoes, and 7, 8 the carrots thin, and 1 bowl of green peas, and have made the ginger garlic paste and 1 bunch of coriander. So we have 4 onions. We have to chop it into fine, and 2 capsicum. The aloo and the carrot is kind of finely chopped. This all will go to the cooker and we take 1 or 2 whistles. I have mixed it with all the vegetables. If you have 1 beetroot, you can add it for a better color. I don't have it, so I'm not able to add it to this. Pour little water and blow 3 whistles. Yeah, I'm putting these are the fresh peas. The skin is peeled off and we have taken it. I'm also adding that and then mixing it thoroughly. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt into this. So I mix it thoroughly. I have put water as well. You can see the water level is little lesser than the vegetable level. You can see that. So it is not above the vegetable levels. So you blow 3 or 2 whistles and then we have to mash it. Yeah, we have chopped this capsicum finely, and this is the Pav Bhaji masala. And onion is also chopped finely. Taken the unsalted butter. This will be used extensively while making the pav and even while seasoning. And a lemon and finely chopped coriander. Let's see how we do this. Yeah, I have kept a big frying pan and poured little oil in that, and then in that I am putting the butter. Don't put the butter directly because it will get burnt. I'm pouring onion into this. Yeah, the onions have turned slight, it has become transparent. I'm adding the capsicum. It should be finely chopped. Do a thorough mix. I'll add a little salt so that it properly gets boiled. Yeah. Yeah. Now this is the vegetables which we kept it for boiling, and 3 whistles were blown. I just try to mash it now. It was so let's see how it gets mashed, because all the size was little bigger. Hopefully it should get mashed. Smash it thoroughly like this and take your time and do that. There should not be no single a big piece of any vegetable. It should be very smooth and it should go well. I put almost a quarter teaspoon of salt, and I'm just putting it for complete steaming as well, so that it gets boiled faster. The onion and capsicum is cooked well now. I have added the Pav Bhaji masala, and you can add mix it thoroughly. Add little chili powder. So it depends on the spiciness of the Pav Bhaji masala. Add little water so that the masala don't get burnt. Now add the mashed masala as well. Stir it well. You can add water, see the consistency. Put lemon, half a slice of lemon you can put it. Yeah, and keep stirring it. I have put another half slice of the lemon. Put coriander into it. Yeah, cook it for 3-4 minutes. The bhaji is good to go. Yeah, in fact, I missed out adding the ginger garlic paste. So I'm trying to do it separately. So while cooking, these kind of things happen. So you need to manage that. I'll try till the raw smell goes. Yeah, this is almost done now. The raw smell is gone. So I'm going to mix it with the bhaji. I've taken little bhaji aside just to put it along with the pav when we fry. We have taken Britannia pav, so you can have as many as you want, and cut the lemons into quarter pieces, and some coriander and chopped onion. So we will cut the pav into half. Use a knife like this to cut it into half, so you get like this to be fried on the tawa. The whole butter I'm cutting into small cubes so that it will be easy for you to fry. Okay. And you can cut it this way and this way. So adding little bhaji here so that now you can take the pav, just smear it here and do it this way. I'm taking the second one. The tawa will be hot, you need to manage that. Yeah, so we are plating it. You can taste and tell how is the taste. Enjoy the taste, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You will get notification the moment you subscribe. Thank you.